The Galaxy Watch 6 lineup was unveiled during Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event, and it consists of just two watches, the Watch 6 and the Watch 6 Classic. These new smartwatches include brighter displays, a quicker CPU, a sleeker design, a newer version of the Wear OS, and more memory. But how substantial are these upgrades over last year's Galaxy Watch 5, as the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic is a replacement for the Watch 5 Pro? Samsung's newest wristwatch sports a sleeker design with a 20% larger Super AMOLED screen and a 30% slimmer bezel. There has only ever been one Watch 5 Pro model, which was 45mm larger than any Watch 5 variant. The Galaxy Watch 6 boasts a 2000 nits peak brightness with automatic brightness for always-on display mode. This brighter screen is useful in low-light situations. A sapphire crystal glass covers the displays of both smartwatches, allowing you to see what's on the screen even in direct sunlight. Both smartwatches offer an IP68 classification for dust and water resistance, as well as a military-grade drop and shock-resistant design. The Galaxy Watch 6 Classic is powered with a newer Exynos W930 CPU that runs at a faster clock speed, and should use less power. The RAM has been increased to 2 GB, and the watch now runs the latest Wear OS 4. Wearable applications aren't very demanding, but they should seem a little more snappy here than on the Watch 5 Pro. Both watches feature 16 GB of internal storage, which should be plenty for a few music playlists or apps purchased from the Google Play Store. On paper, the Watch 5 Pro features a larger 590 mAh battery, which outperforms the 47mm Watch 6 Classics for 25 by a wide margin, and is almost twice the 43mm version's 300 mAh one. Samsung anticipates that the Watch 6 Classic will last 30 hours with the always-on display on and 40 hours without. Although it runs the most recent software, the Apple Watch 6 Classic is a stunningly beautiful wearable. The bigger screen looks the business, and the speedier internals should make it seem more snappy in regular usage, plus it can resist that revolving bezel. Samsung claims an upgrade will ultimately bring the Watch 5 Pro up to speed, but there's no definitive timetable for it just yet. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.